Hello, my name is Art with Collaborative, and I'm here to talk to you about how a BIM contractor can cost you money. You've heard all the great promises that you'll get increased productivity, you'll get a better plan model, you'll save time, you'll save material, all because of the great planning of BIM. That can be very, very true. It can also go very wrong. And so you might have a contractor there that is drawing for you that doesn't understand, say, construction standards. They know how to model very well, but they don't know how to put the right pieces in the model. They don't know how to make everything in the model buildable per the field. So your VAVs might not have the right connections on them, might have the wrong pitch point coming off of them. Your pipes might be too close together because they fit, but they weren't thinking about hangers. They weren't thinking about getting your hands around the pipe enough for to put all the fittings on. There's just things that just make the thing buildable in the field, and that's the knowledge that your superintendents have. And so getting a good BIM contractor is important that understands how to work with these guys, how to get that knowledge into the model, or even has it themselves. And so you've gotten through so you work through all this stuff, you get to coordination, classroom model, and now you want to go build it in the field, and this is where you find out if your BIM coordinator is good or not. Your superintendent starts to put stuff in the field and finds out, I can't do it this way, there's not enough room. They didn't put the right fittings on the pipes, which pushes pipes farther over. The hangers need room, so it pushes the pipes apart. Next thing you know, you're clashing with other trays. Now you find yourself in a situation where you have to readjust, and which is really you're coordinating for a second time, which you've already paid somebody to do that for you. Now you're doing it again in the field. Doing it in the field is bad. The reason we were doing BIM in the first place was to avoid this situation. So now your contractor's scrambling. You've got your crew waiting on your foreman to tell them what to do, which now it's costing you even more money. You're doing it a second time, and it's costing you more money because you're paying people not to work. So, and then things go really bad. Everybody just abandons the model. So now you find yourself in a situation where nobody trusts the model, which is very, very bad because now it's costing other companies too. So how do you avoid this? Here's what I have 3 things for you. 1, when you're interviewing your contractor, don't just look at their price. Ask them to see examples of their models. The level of development is very critical. If they understand how to draw all the pieces that you got to build in the field, you want to see that in previous work. Second, I'd want to see similar projects. Not all projects are the same. We've worked on data centers, we've worked on power plants, we've worked on schools. There's a big gulf between a high school project and a power plant. There's a whole level of information, stuff that you need in there that they don't equate. And so you want to make sure you have the right contractor for the right project. And the last thing I would ask for is talk to their clients. Their clients that have built projects from them. Talk to either the project manager or superintendent. Ask for a couple of those references so that you can follow up on to make sure that the contractor you're getting at the end of the day isn't going to cost you money. We'd love for you to reach out to us. We've gotten, like I said, example projects from power plants to schools, data centers, sporting arenas. We've got a vast portfolio I'd love to share with you. Thank you.